During this healing journey and talking about the whole process and making sure that we are really embracing this whole project, you want to make sure that you're aware of what a cycle is and what a phase is. And the reason why I went in circle with the cycle, because we think of cycles as something that goes around and around and around and around, right? And we don't want to be in a cycle. We want to make sure that we go through phases, because healing is something that never ends. And anything can happen at any moment that can put you in a place that you identify something that you need to heal or need to address or need to give yourself more grace in. You also need to understand that that is a phase where you go into phases, where I may start where I'm at the self-reflection, and then I'm at the self-evaluation, or I'm at the self-awareness. But then there's times that I can phase and I can go back. It's overlapping. It's where we give ourselves grace to be where we need to be during the healing journey. But then cycles, I would bring this up because cycles is something where you continue to repeat. And during the healing journey, you don't want to repeat. You don't want to repeat. You want to heal through it to be able to know when to give yourself grace to go through the cycles, to be able to know how to navigate through challenging situations. So in the link in my bio with the book, the ebook, the whole process, we talk about the different phases of healing and how you give yourself grace and to be able to identify where you are and where you're going. And so I encourage you to look at it versus cycles versus phases. And how does your healing journey look? Does it look like you continue to repeat, or are you going through the phases? Right? And if you find yourself continuing to repeat, make sure that you're giving yourself grace so you can navigate through that, so you can put an end and a stop to that cycle, so you can move forward. Right? Always rooting for you, continuing to believe in you as you go through this healing journey.